Hello, Erasmus Plus students. I would like to ask you to do something for our project. Those of you who have already prepared the Europass language passports should only update them, and those of you who haven't should create them. So now I will show you how to do it. We are at www.google.pl now. So let's find Europass website. It's here, Europass Home. And now you should choose Europass Documents. And on the right, Language Passport. And now, if you have already done your language passport, you should only update it. So click Update. Choose My Device and browse for your previous file. So my previous file is here. I'm uploading it. And I click OK. Then my file is imported. And now you can see my language passport. So probably the only thing you have to do is to add some information about traveling and language use in the last year. So what I especially need you to do is to find English language section here, and those of you who have traveled to our last blended mobility to France should click Add Linguistic and Intercultural Experience, and then select from the list. And here you should choose Using Languages While Living or Traveling Abroad. And here, let's put participation as a student in a blended mobility to Lusa Jules Verne in Limoges en Uruguay, December 2018, as part of an Erasmus Plus project, inclusive regional guides for youth. So participation as a student in a blended mobility to research in Limoges en Uruguay, December 2018, as part of an Erasmus Plus project, inclusive regional guides for you. And then you click the dates. The dates are from the 9th of December 2018 to the 15th of December 2018. And now you click Save, and the information can be seen here. And now, when you have done that, of course, you can add any more language experiences which happened to you during last holiday or last year, and click Export. And now you should choose Language Passport only and click Next. It's Europass PDF, which is fine. Click Next again, and you can either email it to me, or you can save it on your device and bring it to me in paper, whatever you choose. So now click Next. Let's say you save it on your computer and bring it printed to the school. And you click Download. And now it has been downloaded. All right. So this is for those who have already done the language passport, and now for those who should create it. So let's go back to the main page. Main page. Let's see here. It's here. So now you click Create your language passport online. And this is mine, of course, but let's say, why is it mine? I don't know. So now for those of you who haven't created the language passport yet, so again, Europass Home, Europass Documents, on the right, Language Passport, and this time create your language passport online. Very simple. You just click Edit, and now you put your name. Let's say it's mine, and surname, and now your mother tongue, and of course it's Polish or Ukrainian. So let's say it's Polish, and now you put all the foreign languages that you can speak. So let's say English, of course, if you speak more languages, you should add them now here. Let's say that it's only English, so save now. Now you could see this table. So what you should do now is to fill it in. So you click Fill in for English, and now you should self-assess how well you speak this language and how well you can do. So let's say that your listening skills are at A2 level, which is basic user, and your reading skills are at A2 as well. Speaking, it's only A1, and A1 again, and writing A1. Okay, and save. And now you can add some certificates and diplomas if you have any. So we just click Fill in, and you put the title of the diploma, awarding body, which means the institution which gave you this diploma, or maybe a private school, date, and the level. Let's select from the list again the level of English. By the way, A1 is basic level, A2 is a bit higher, B1 is the level of a basic Matura exam, and B2 is extended level Matura exam. So I haven't put any diplomas here, so let's cancel it. But if you have, just save it. And what you should do when you traveled in our project is to click here, fill in, select from list or enter free text. Again, using languages while living or traveling abroad. And description. Participation as a student in a blended mobility in lycée Jules Verne in Limours en Haute-Bois, France, as part of Erasmus Plus project, inclusive regional guides for youth, and add the dates, and the dates are the 9th of December 2018 to the 15th of December 2018, and save. And you can see it here. And if you traveled anywhere else and used English language or some other language, you should add this information. Of course, you can add another language like Russian or German. And if you want to know which level you are at, the description is here of different levels. When you're ready, you should export by clicking not curriculum vitae, but just language passport. Next. And next. And either save it on your device, on your computer, or email it to me. You can save it and print it and bring it to me, or you can just send it to me by email. So let's say save it, next, download, and it's downloading here. And you should do that by the end of March. By the end of March, that's the deadline for you. So thank you very much. And in case you have any questions, just let me know and I will help you.